In this video, I will show you how to redeem Revolut points. So if you want to redeem your Revolut points, then I will show you how you can do this. So first of all, you need to be sure that you have your RevPoints enabled on your account. So you can do that by accessing this tab all the way at the bottom right, and then just go through the process of getting started. And once you have that done, we can see that you are starting at the standard plan. This is a plan that has no costs, and then you will earn 1 rev point per 10 euro or dollar spent. You can redeem the rev points for air miles or discounts on stays. So the way to redeem this is as following. You're going to click on redeem in here, and now you will see a couple of ways to redeem. So Revolut is allowing you to redeem them on airline miles and stays, and also on eSIMs, experience and donations. Then you will get some discounts for that. Let's say you want to book a stay or a hotel or something like that. You're going to select something, let's say Dubai, click on confirm in here, and now you will see a bunch of hotels and places to stay. And when your account has some rev points, then you will see all of the hotels that are available with a discount in this section. This will be automatically done by Revolut, so you will see those discounts popping up in here, and you can also see the points that you have earned. So that is basically how you can redeem rev points on Revolut. It's basically integrated within booking stays or air miles. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.